Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
We are pleased to show you the 2024 Sequoia. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, running boards, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, starter type, starter belt alternator, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, center console with lighting.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.